morning. Today is April 8th already. And today in our devotional, it says, Chasing Your Dreams. Joel chapter 2, verse 28. It shall come to pass afterward that I will pour out my spirit on all flesh. Your sons and your daughters shall prophesy. Your old men shall dream dreams. Your young men shall see visions. Ephesians chapter 3, verse 20. Now to him who is able to do immeasurable more than all we ask or imagine, according to his power that is at work within us. Proverbs chapter 13, verse 12. Hope deferred makes the heart sick, but a dream fulfilled is a tree of life. 2 Chronicles chapter 15, verse 7. Take courage. Do not let your hands be weak, for your work shall be rewarded. James chapter 1, verse 17. Every good gift and every perfect gift is from above, coming down from the Father of lights, with whom there is no variation or shadow due to change. Psalm chapter 84, verse 5. Blessed is the man whose strength is in you, whose heart is set on pilgrimage. Isaiah chapter 48, verse 17. I am the Lord your God, who teaches you what is best for you, who directs you in the way you should go. And at the bottom it says, on Good Friday, it seemed that Jesus blew out the candle of everyone's dreams, and it literally and figuratively became dark. At that moment, everyone forgot about God's power and his miracles. But on Resurrection Sunday, Jesus relit the candles of people's dreams and rekindled their hopes. Suddenly, scared fishermen, his disciples, changed into evangelists who lived every dream of God, even at the cost of their own lives. Hold on to your dreams, even if it feels dark. Sunday is coming. Amen. I know it's not Good Friday this Friday, but still, Jesus done so much for us on that cross, and that is so true. He done so much for us, and he is our light. He is our light. He's our everything. Don't give up on your dreams. He loves you all very much. He loves you so much that he went to that cross, and he rose after the third day. Never forget what he done for you. Never. I love you guys. As always, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Like, share, and subscribe. Join me on the Disciple server. Link is in the description. And I do want to give you all an update on my mom. She is doing much better. She says she's still in pain a little bit, but that's to be expected. She does have to do physical therapy and everything, but she is doing much better, and I thank you all for your prayers. Thank you so much. But I love you guys, and if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. And just a heads up, there will be another video coming out today, so hopefully if it uploads. It's taken forever to upload, but it is longer than my usual videos. But I love you guys, and I will talk to you later. Have a very blessed day. Bye, guys.